Here's my finished grill, restored. Mine was in such a good shape. I did very, very minimal to it. But so this is just a proof of concept video, so you can see what I've done to it. The bottom apron, nothing wrong at all with it. I cleaned it, I compounded it, I polished it, and I waxed it. Not even a speck of rust on it. So this is going right back the way it is with the original factory paint. If not, you'll need to sand and paint yours. For this thing, I knew I wanted to repaint the egg crate. So to get the egg crate out, what you're going to do is you're going to remove that rivet, that bolt, and that rivet. And then everything will come apart except for the stainless steel trim, which is a bunch of other rivets on the top and bottom. I did not remove my rivets because my perimeter frame was in good shape. Anyways, real quick, the chrome was cleaned with the flitch, and I cleaned the emblem with the flitch too. And the stainless steel top and bottom and the aluminum bar with the tape removed was cleaned with my white diamond. It's just good for aluminum and stainless steel. And let me see, what else did I do? This perimeter is steel with a dipped in rubber coating. Mine was in good shape. I left it alone, a couple little spots. I just touched up with some black paint. To restore this, I used my trim coat. I use this on my vehicles. It restores plastic to black. I put the trim coat on as much of the rubber portion as I could get at, which is mainly right here. But I also did it on the emblem, and that really made it shine. So trim coat for the emblem. Again, this is 74 to 76. The early one said porcelain. That you don't want to use a trim coat on. And then the egg crate, I used my chassis paint because it's chip resistant, set in black. And then this funky piece in here, it's like a piece of vinyl or leather. I don't know what it is, but mine wasn't broken. So I took it out, cleaned it with alcohol and a towel, perfectly intact. I repainted it with trim and bumper paint, black. And that did a good job and remains flexible. And then I put it back down with a little bit of glue, just a little bit of like a super glue on the back side, and I laid it down and pushed it along very slowly for 10-15 seconds at a time, and then put the little clips back on that I painted black. If you can't restore your black band in here, what people use is a black tennis racket wrap, but you do have to cut it to fit, and that apparently works pretty good. Or you could tape it off and paint it, whatever you want to do. But I put mine back in with just a little fresh paint on the outside. Anyways, it came out really nice with minimum work. With just, I didn't have to buy anything. Everything was in my shop, in my garage. Kept all the hardware original. All I did was wire brush everything clean. And I coated everything in my Protecta Clear by Everbright coatings. Expensive little bottle, but it'll last you like 5 years. This is for no paint products. Really does a good job of protecting it, and I'll keep the rust away.